Welcome to this virtual tour of Long and McQuade Musical Instruments, one of Vancouver's top destinations for musicians. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, Long and McQuade has everything you need, from a wide selection of instruments to professional audio equipment. In this video, I'll take you through the key sections of this incredible music store. Let's begin with their extensive range of musical instruments. Long and McQuade offers guitars, drums, keyboards, and pianos from leading brands like Fender, Gibson, and Yamaha. The guitar wall is imposing, showcasing electric, acoustic, and bass guitars for musicians of all levels. Alongside the instruments, you'll find a great selection of amps, pedals, and accessories. For anyone interested in recording, Long and McQuade provides an array of professional audio equipment, including microphones, audio interfaces, and mixers. Whether you're a home studio enthusiast or setting up for a live gig, you'll find top-tier gear to fit your need. They also offer music lessons taught by skilled instructors, catering to musicians of all ages and experience levels. For drummers, the drum section offers kits from renowned brands like Pearl and Tama. Keyboards and synthesizers are also well represented, with a wide variety of models perfect for everything from classical music to electronic production. And don't miss their collection of DJ equipment for those looking to create their own unique sounds. One unique service offered here is the option to rent musical instruments and equipment. Whether you're renting a guitar, a drum kit, or even a full sound system for an event, Long and McQuade has you covered. Long and McQuade Musical Instruments truly has something for every musician, from beginners to professionals. Thanks for joining me on this virtual tour of the Vancouver store. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, subscribe for more content, and drop a comment with your favorite instruments or gear from Long and McQuade. See you next time.